That was a great one. Now go. Okay, yeah, go. Grab it. That's a big one.
Hold that, please, please don't get it.
Good job.
I feel so bad. Can you get him over here?
You let him go? Because I'm gonna shake him in the water. Come on, guys. 2, 3.
Drop down now.
Oh, yeah,
Just drop it down, you gotta cast.
Just drop it down.
I don't have to cast. Come on, bring it in. Bring it in, buddy boy. You don't have to carry it around. You have to try and drag it.
Keep going, dude. You don't want to black it. Whoa, dude, that's a monster. Keep right down. Bring it to Grandpa.
Come on. No. Oh, no. Whoa.
Look at that. Look at that. You caught a good one. Man, that is so good. That's a killer fish. Wow. Did you catch that all by yourself?
Yeah.
All right.
All
right.
I don't think so.
You want to let him go?
Daddy, I'm gonna let him go. Daddy, I'm gonna let him go.
Just touch the bottom of the slide.
Good job.
Use a Band-Aid.
Here you go, man. High five.
Nice.
You got another one.
Turkey.
A little booger. A little booger.
Okay, can you hold the...
did it all by yourself, buddy.
Yeah.
That's a cool fish.
Is it bad?
Not my fish.
Well, I walk upon the river like it's easier than land. Evil's in my pocket and your will is in my hand. Oh, your will is in my hand. And I'll throw it in the current that I stand upon so still. Love is old from what I've heard, but my heart's learned to kill. Oh, mine has learned to kill. Oh, I said I could rise from the harness of our gold. Here come the tears, but like always, I let them go. Just let them go.
Picture. Whoa! Did you get that one?
Mommy!
Okay, he's gonna die. He's gonna. Okay.
You both caught one!
Good job,
Hold him up!
He is, wow.
That's a good size.
Hold him up, hold him up. Yeah, you always hold it forward so it looks
You
bigger.
have somebody take, Brenda, can you take a couple pictures?
No, I get
Hey, Cutter, what did you catch?
a big old chatterwack fish.
That's a good one, buddy.
What are you on? What's this boat?
Our power and I caught this thing all by myself, right, Daddy?
You sure did, all by yourself. You want me to let it go?
Baby.
You got the biggest one.
That's the biggest one for sure. All right, bring him around this side.
He's a big guy.
Spin it other way, spin the other way. You're wrapping the fishing line around your head. Okay, let me see him. Pick him off.
Good job, dude.
That is a huge beast right there.
Yeah, that is
Wow.
Oh,
Gosh,
hold still, guy.
fire.
You know how to get him out of there?
So,
Okay,
is that pretty cool?
let me see. Hold him up so I can see you.
Hold
Let
him
go.
up. He might get out, but it's okay. We're trying to let him go. Oh man, he's so snotty. Watch out, 'cause the hook's in front of him. All right.
All right, let him go.
Okay, you want to jump him in the water? Jump in the water. Put him in the net and let me see him.
Why?
You gotta get him to come back a little bit here.
Oh, wait, no, listen.
There you go.
All right.
I actually.
That thing.
Let me see. I can't see him.
Belly's pretty small.
He's big.
Wow.
I caught that!
You caught that?
Babe, can you take a picture?
Wow, that's a good sized
Good
fish.
size one.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna let him go. You want to hold him, Avery, or no?
What do you want to do?
Now mommy next.
I'm gonna probably make a bigger weight.
It's okay. Go for it, babe. On your belly.
This is what I do, I sit on you, sit on you, sit on you. This is what I do, I sit on you, right on your lap. This is what I do, I sit on you, sit on you, sit on you. This is what I do, I sit on you, right on your head. This is what I do, this is what I do, this is what I do, sit on you. This is what I do, sit on you, sit, 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 sit on you, sit, sit, sit on you, sit, sit, sit on you, sit, sit, sit on you.
The absence of God will bring you comfort, baby, and plannings for the poor. So let's pretend that we're rich and I'm not my body or how I choose to destroy it. Folk singers sing songs for the working, baby. We're just recreation for all to good again. And I say there's trouble when everything is fine. The need to destroy things creeps up on me every time. And just as love's silhouette appears, I close my eyes and disappear tonight. And something's gotta change, 'cause our love's the slowest moving train.